For entering employee details, click on to Master, select General, under that select Employee. Click on to Add for adding employee details. Click on to Edit for editing employee details. Verify the details and click Update. Employee details updated successfully. For entering department, click on to Master, select General, under that select Department. Click on to Add for adding the department. Click on to Edit for editing the department and Update. For entering designation, click on to Master, select General, under that select Designation. Click on to Add for adding the designation. Click on to Edit for editing the designation and Update. For entering category, click on to Master, select General, under that select Category. Click Add for adding the category, click Edit for editing the category and Update. For entering status, click on to Master, select General, under that select Status. Click on to Add for adding the status, click on to Edit for editing the status and Update. For entering gender, click on to Master, select General, under that select Gender. Select the gender and save. The overall specification of Payroll Management Master has been depicted successfully. Thank you.